Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram login problem on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been having trouble logging in, don't worry. There are several easy fixes that can help get you back online. Let's walk through them step by step. The first thing you should try is closing and reopening your browser. Sometimes, a simple browser restart can solve login issues. Just close your browser completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it back up. Now try logging into Instagram again to see if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, make sure that your username and password are correct. Double-check both your login credentials to make sure there are no typos or mistakes. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option on the Instagram login page. Sometimes, restarting your device can also help fix login issues. Here's how to do it. First, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, or click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then press the power button to turn your PC back on. After your device restarts, try logging into Instagram again. Another thing to check is your network connection. If your internet is acting up, it can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network to see if that helps. From the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen, click on the network icon and choose a different Wi-Fi network. If you're still having issues, check your internet connection by clicking the same network icon in the notifications area. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you're using a mobile hotspot, try switching to your regular Wi-Fi connection instead. Lastly, clearing your browser cache can often fix login problems. To do this, click on the three dots or menu icon at the top of your browser. Then, select Settings and go to the Privacy and Security section. Click on Delete Browsing Data and make sure that Cached Images and Files is checked. Then click Delete Data. This will clear any outdated files that might be causing issues. And that's it. These steps should help you resolve any Instagram login problems on your PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.